From the HDS app, choose the Student Work Orders tab. You'll be redirected to a page that will ask you to log in with your student ID. This is the same username that you would normally use to log in to the K-State website. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the work order submission page. From here, all you have to do is simply input the issue that you're experiencing with your apartment. Some examples of things that maintenance can come and repair include broken light bulbs, any type of water leak or water damage, any type of issues with doors or locks, and other maintenance-related problems. After describing your issue, feel free to leave any additional comments to explain the situation or thank your maintenance workers for their hard work. Next, input your phone number in case you need to be contacted about any issues with the apartment, and go ahead and select Allow Permission to Enter Room. That way maintenance workers can come in even if you're not in the apartment. Finally, select any relevant documents and hit Submit. You should receive confirmation both in the browser and from an email that a work order has been placed for your apartment. Work orders can also be submitted from the K-State Housing and Dining website. First, you'll go to your resident portal and you'll be asked to sign in once again. Just like in the app, this is the same login that you would normally use for the K-State website. Once you're in the resident portal, there should be a link in the upper left-hand corner that says Create Housing Maintenance Request. After clicking that link, you'll be directed to a similar page that you saw in the earlier part of this video. Just like before, add any relevant information and then go ahead and click Submit.